have 6 rental properties that bring in over $10,000 a month in revenue. I'm going to break down all the numbers so you can see what it's like behind the scenes. This is the first property I bought for $195,000 in Ewing, New Jersey. I partnered with my dad and my brother to put 25% down. We put about $18,000 worth of work into this property, and now it rents for $3,085 per month. Our mortgage is $798.09. All of our expenses add up to $1,132 per month. Leaves us with $1,154.65 in cash flow every month. Second property I bought in May 2020. It is a duplex for $135,000 in Hamilton, New Jersey. I used a cash out refinance to purchase this one. Rents for $1,900 per month after $6K worth of work. We don't have a mortgage on this property. Our total expenses are $838.74 per month. This leaves us with a cash flow of $1,061.26 per month on this one. Third property is a duplex I bought in June 2020 in Ewing, New Jersey. Bought it for $141,000 using a cash out refinance. Rents for $2,185. Our mortgage payment is $686 per month. Monthly operating expenses is $834 per month. Our profit is $663 per month. Fourth property is a property I bought in June for $102,000. It is a triplex in Cayuga Falls, Ohio. I bought this with the cash out refinance from the money from the last property. Bought it fully rented at $1,745 per month. Our expenses are $787 per month. This leaves us with a net cash flow of $957 per month. I bought this duplex in June 2021 as well for $56,000. I only put $13,000 down using a hard money loan. We just completed a $40,000 rehab, and now the house is worth $170,000. One of the units got rented already. We're trying to rent the second one for a total of $1,350. All of our expenses are $212 per month, and then we have our mortgage for $635 per month. Gives us a cash flow of $191. Once it's rented, I'll refinance, pull $17,000 out on top of the hard money lender, and then be cash flowing $284. The last property is land that we're building on in Cape Coral, Florida. I own a quarter share of the land, and I bought it for $3,500. Got a new construction home loan on the house for $270K, and the house just appraised for $400 something. So our plan is to flip this, and worst case, if the market tanks, we'll just rent it out and make a profit. Our total monthly cash flow is $4,121.82. We have a total of $483,000 in equity over all of our properties. My goal is to first retire my dad, my mom, and then the rest of my family. Hopefully by 2022 if I can keep up the momentum. If you like the complete transparency in this video, make sure to hit the follow button, because I'm Antonio and I help beginner real estate investors who don't know where to start buy their first investment property with a step-by-step process.